Cisco is hiring people for the role of engineer intern. The package giving is 8.5 LPA. The batches eligible are 2020, 2021, 2022. Let's see some of the eligibility criteria for this job. First, the job description specifying build and maintain support enterprise security, products capability, perform IT functions such as design, analysis, evaluation, testing, debugging, and implementing some of the tools. Mostly, this company is a security company. You will be working on the tools that will be used for security purposes. Focused on configuring, installing, upgrading, monitoring, and scripting of existing enterprise security platforms or capabilities and applications, third party, homegrown, on prem, cloud, etc., to get the desired performance required. This is the job description for this job. The skills required are familiar with some of the standard programming languages like C, C++, Python, Linux, Java, scripting, and other languages. Knowledge of CI/CD tools, security tools. Proficient in general security concepts like cyber security, directory services, authentication services, security, intelligence, forensics, etc. Then having some basic knowledges in routing, switching, DNS, loading, balancing, firewalls, and IP address. These are some of the skills required. Documents needed are you should carry a copy of latest resume, Aadhaar card with 3 passport size photographs are must. You need to carry any government certified ID proof like PAN, voter ID, passport. Students should have all the essential educational certificates along with the Xerox copies. These are the documents you should be carried while attending virtual or offline mode of interview. The years of experience is 0 to 2 years of experience needed. Salary will be given as 8.5 plus LPA. This is the typical salary according to the Glassdoor and some other websites. The batches eligible to apply for this job are 2020, 2021, 2022 batches are eligible for this job. Then what and all the streams can apply for this job are all engineering streams, accountancy, data science, mechanical engineer, biology, and other streams. You will be giving a job based on your streams, and there are other streams too. While applying, you can able to find your stream. So don't think that your stream is not present in the screen, because there are many streams available in the while applying this form. So you can able to check your stream. All engineering streams are eligible for this job. Okay, you can check out in the website while applying for this job. Then link to apply for this job will be given in the description. You can use the link to apply for this job. Let me tell what are all the details will be asked while filling the form, and what are the documents needed while doing registration. First, they will be asking upload your resume, or you can apply with the LinkedIn profile. Second, they will be asking your name, phone number, engineering, highest degree, and they will be asking whether do you have any joined before the Cisco, or you will be asked about your nickname, and they will be asking your streams and which state you are preferred for location, and your job location needed, and you can also specify your mobile number. By using mobile number, they will be contacting you for the further purpose. These are the details they will be asking while while registering for this job. All the best for your interview preparation. Use the link in the description box to apply for this job, and also there will be a Telegram link. You can follow the Telegram link to get latest updates. All the best for your interview preparation.